Adding small amounts of salt to a pond allows fish to relax and cope with stress factors, like disease outbreaks, water quality problems, and major environmental trauma. Freshwater fish have to invest a lot of energy keeping their internal fluid salt concentration from being diluted by the influx of water across their gills. Increasing salt levels in the pond reduces the water influx and releases energy, which can be used when dealing with stress and fighting disease. Blagdon's Pond Guardian Pond Salt has a unique formula to reduce physiological stress and stabilise water quality. For more information on this topic, please visit our website. There are 3 recommended concentrations for Pond Guardian Pond Salt. Maintaining a 0.1% concentration consistently will support your fish's immune system and protect against swings in pH. When you know fish are likely to be put in stressful situations, such as a new pond environment after heavy rainfall or when adding new fish, a 0.3% concentration will minimise the impacts of stress. A 0.9% concentration can be used for the duration of a disease treatment, up to 2 weeks, to improve recovery. You can use the volume calculator on our website to help find the exact dose for your pond. Weigh out your chosen measure. A 0.1% or 0.3% dose can be added in one go. A 0.9% dose should be gradually added over several days. Divide your whole dose by 3 or 4 and add daily to increase the concentration steadily. You should only maintain this dose for a maximum of 2 weeks, as high salinity can affect plant growth. Reduce the concentration by performing small water changes. If you want to maintain a low concentration of 0.1%, it is important to redose after water changes or heavy rain. You will also need to be aware of your current dose if you ever need to use a higher concentration for disease